In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out times on Calendly. Whether you're planning a vacation or just need some focus time, managing your calendar efficiently is key. So let's get started. To begin with, log into your Calendly account. Once you're on your dashboard, you will see an overview of your scheduling setup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view as it's your central hub for managing appointments and availability. Now let's focus on blocking out those important times. Look for the Availability tab. This is your go-to place for managing both open and blocked time slots on your calendar. Click on it to explore the available options. You'll be greeted with a list view that showcases your current availability settings. Spend a bit of time scrolling through this list to review what's already in place. Understanding your current setup will help you make informed decisions about what changes need to be made. If you're looking to block out specific dates, perhaps for a vacation or a personal day, find the option labeled Date Specific Hours and give it a click. This handy feature allows you the flexibility to adjust your availability for particular days, all without altering your entire schedule. Next, you'll want to add some time blocks. To do this, click the Plus Hours button. This action will bring up a calendar view, which is incredibly user-friendly. The visual layout makes selecting your unavailable days a breeze. Simply go ahead and highlight the dates during which you will be unavailable. Whether it's a single day or spread across several weeks, picking these days is as easy as pointing and clicking. Once you've carefully chosen your desired dates, don't forget to click Apply to save all your changes. After a brief moment, you'll see those chosen dates marked as unavailable. What this means is straightforward. No one will be able to book meetings with you during these times. It's a seamless way to ensure your schedule reflects your actual availability. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked out time in Calendly. You can always revisit this section whenever there are new schedule changes, like an unexpected meeting or a spontaneous trip. With this flexibility, you'll maintain control over your calendar and your time like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to check out my other tutorials to master every feature in Calendly. There's a lot more to discover, and with each new feature you learn, your scheduling becomes that much more efficient. Happy scheduling!